Today on Feral Fabrications, we're checking out the difference between the 13-inch and the 15-inch wheels that used to be on this clapped out Capri. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned, you're watching Feral Fabrications. Hello the internet, we're making progress. While I am working putting the wheels onto this car, I thought I'd just do a quick video and talk about some of the differences between the two wheels, the 15-inch and the 13-inch ones. So here we go. So these are the wheels that were on the car. They're basically a Superlight replica, 15x7, and I was running a Nitto NT01 tyre. You can get a Nitto NT01 tyre for a 13-inch wheel as well, but they're just more expensive in this case, so I've actually changed to a different type. So that's what was on the car. What we've moved to is this here, the brand new from Tyre Direct, Mount Maunganui. Now these are a 13x7, and the price of the rims is actually really reasonable. It's like 600 bucks for the set of wheels, of just the rims, and then the tyres were on top of that, and I think the total price all up was 1300 bucks. So a really good price for a set of tyres and rims for this old car. So for those that don't know, the Ford Capri is running a 4x108 PCD stud pattern, and obviously those ones were the same. These were on the car when I bought it, so I don't know what these were worth to buy brand new, but the tyres to buy those new was 1,000 bucks just for the tyres. So you can see that's actually a little cheaper to do tyre replacements with the smaller wheel. This is a 205/50 R15, and this is a 205/60 R13. So we've got a slightly higher profile on the wheel there, just to make up for the smaller rim. Now, what I found really interesting was that these wheels, I thought they might actually end up being heavier because they've got more rubber, but I actually put these on the scales and found out that these were actually lighter. So these actually weigh 1.6 kgs less per wheel than the 15s. So that's the rim and tyre combined, and so that's a total weight reduction of 6.4 kgs. And because when you do a weight reduction on things that have to speed up and slow down, things that spin, in terms of performance and acceleration, you know, there's various people that'll tell you different things, but it's sort of a factor of 3 times more effective taking weight off things that have to spin compared to just taking weight out of the car. We just do some rough maths and science. If we said that this was 6 kgs and it's like 3 times more effective, that's the same as dropping about 18 kgs of weight out of the car. And like for example, that seat we put in was only 7 kgs, so actually dropping to these smaller tyres has resulted in a bit of a weight saving. It'll be interesting to see if it changes the performance at all. A slightly smaller rolling diameter on the tyre as well, not by too much though. I'm not expecting it to over rev or anything on the straights, so yeah, hopefully we're all good there. So anyway, I'll go ahead and put these on the car. I'll pull the car out of the shed so we can have a good look at how my bodywork's been going.